Foster's Famous Farm by Regina Velasquez, illustrated by Carol Keller. Miss Green's class was on a bus. The class was going to visit a farm. "What will we see?" asked Miss Green. Everyone was bursting with ideas. "We will see a cow," said Daisy. "We will see a chicken," said Alex. "We will see a sheep, a pig, and a goat," said Sam. At the farm Miss Green's class saw many animals. They saw a cow, a chicken, and a sheep. They also saw some very strange animals. Alex saw a dachshund. A dachshund is a very small dog. Tony saw a tarantula. A tarantula is a spider. Daisy saw an iguana. An iguana is a lizard. Sam noticed footprints on the ground. He tried to guess which footprints were from the iguana. The other children looked at the footprints too. The children thanked Farmer Foster. "We had a wonderful time," they said. "We will visit again next year." "I'm sorry," said Farmer Foster. "The farm will not be open next year. I want to keep helping all the animals, but I need money to feed them every day. People visit the farm, but they don't give me any money." The children climbed back onto the bus. They were very quiet. "How can we help Farmer Foster?" asked Miss Green. "Does anyone have an idea to share?" "We can make CDs with animal noises. Then we could sell them," said Tony. "We can draw on shirts and sell them," said Sam. Everyone liked Sam's idea. The children drew footprints on shirts. Daisy drew dachshund footprints. Alex drew iguana footprints. Tony drew funny lines. "These are iguana tail prints," Tony said. Sam sprinkled small dots all over a shirt. "What are those dots?" asked Lisa. "I drew tarantula footprints. I pretend he danced on the shirt," Sam said. "That is very nice, Sam," said Miss Green. The children sold all the shirts they made for money. Then they gave the money to Farmer Foster. Soon everyone knew about the farm and paid money to visit it. That is how Farmer Foster's Funny Animal Farm suddenly became Foster's Famous Farm.